Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the short end of the curve today and the 2-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 2-year note futures trading higher now for a third consecutive session, and with today's price action, we're actually trading higher now 9 out of the last 10 sessions, moving up to 4-month highs in the futures market, currently priced at 103.20, which is well off the intraday high, but still holding on to a gain here for a third consecutive session. And driving factors today, really it appears the rotation in the market is one of the primary drivers. Uncertainty about economic activity here in the U.S. is putting pressure on the equity markets for a second session. We're seeing, again, the markets realizing some pretty heavy selling pressure. And with that, bid coming into the Treasury markets, particularly on the short end of the curve today, where we're seeing yields continuing to move lower and prices moving higher, as the markets are digesting a lot of moving parts here as far as interest rate expectations and economic activity expectations moving forward. Now, looking at the yields today, that 2-year yield is down 3 basis points today to 395 basis points. Now, the intraday low was 385 basis points. So again, we're 10 points off the low, but still lower by 3 basis points on the day. And when you look at the yield curve as a whole, we're seeing it shifting steeper today. And what I mean by that is the back end of the curve is actually selling off, moving those yields higher as we move through the afternoon here, with the front of the curve staying firm, bit prices moving higher, yields moving lower, and therefore we're seeing a steepening of the curve with yields higher on the back end and lower on the front end in today's price action. So that 2-year note continuing to move higher here for a third session, and with today's levels, we are trading up to better than a 4-month high.